Welcome to our journey into the fascinating realm of ancient wisdom and the law of attraction. Today, we're going to explore the incredible connection between our self-talk and the manifestation of our deepest desires. Throughout history, wise men and scholars have recognized the power of our words and thoughts in shaping our reality. The law of attraction, a timeless principle, teaches us that like attracts like. But how do we harness this power effectively? The key lies within our internal dialogue, the conversations we have with ourselves. Often, our self-talk can be our own worst enemy, filled with negativity and focusing on our fears and limitations. This can sabotage our efforts and prevent us from attracting what we truly desire. The good news is that we can learn to master our self-talk and use it to our advantage. By shifting our focus to what we want, rather than what we fear, we can open ourselves up to a world of possibilities. Here are 6 transformative tips to help you master the art of self-talk and unlock the full potential of the law of attraction. Tip 1. Be clear and specific about your desires. The universe responds to clarity, so articulate your intentions with precision. When you are specific about what you want, you send a clear signal to the universe, guiding its manifestation energy towards your goals. Avoid vague statements and instead, paint a detailed picture of your desires. Instead of simply saying, "I want to travel more," be specific about your travel goals. Visualize yourself exploring the streets of Paris, admiring the Eiffel Tower at sunset, and indulging in delicious pastries at quaint cafes. By clearly defining your desire to visit Paris, you provide the universe with a specific target to manifest, increasing the likelihood of it coming to fruition. Tip 2. Practice affirmations daily. Speak words of empowerment and abundance into existence, reaffirming your belief in your ability to manifest your desires. Affirmations are powerful statements that can reshape your beliefs and mindset. By consistently repeating positive affirmations, you reinforce your inner confidence and attract the energy needed to manifest your goals. Repeat the affirmation, "I am deserving of all the success and abundance that comes my way," every morning as you start your day. By affirming your worthiness and ability to attract abundance, you align your thoughts and actions with the manifestation of your desires. As you continue to practice this affirmation daily, you'll notice a shift in your mindset, leading to increased self-belief and a deeper connection to the abundance of the universe. Tip 3. Visualize your goals as already accomplished. Engage your imagination to vividly picture yourself living the life you desire. Take a moment each day to close your eyes and immerse yourself in the experience of having achieved your goals. See yourself in your dream job, feel the satisfaction of financial abundance, and bask in the joy of fulfilling relationships. Allow yourself to fully embody the emotions associated with your desires, as if they were already a reality. Imagine waking up in your beautiful beachfront home, feeling the warmth of the sun on your face as you sip your morning coffee. You walk into your home office, greeted by a stunning view of the ocean, knowing that today you'll be working on projects that bring you fulfillment and joy. As you visualize this scene, let yourself feel the sense of achievement and contentment that comes with living your ideal life. Tip 4. Surround yourself with positive influences. Cultivate an environment that supports your aspirations and uplifts your spirit. The people, environments, and media we expose ourselves to have a profound impact on our thoughts and beliefs. By surrounding yourself with positivity, you create a fertile ground for the manifestation of your desires. Create a vision board filled with images and quotes that represent your goals and aspirations. Place it in a prominent location where you'll see it every day, serving as a visual reminder of what you're working towards. Additionally, seek out communities and social circles that share your values and aspirations. Engage in uplifting conversations, attend inspiring events, and consume content that aligns with your goals. By immersing yourself in a positive and supportive environment, you'll amplify the energy of manifestation and attract abundance into your life. Tip 5. Release attachment to the outcome. Trust in the universe's infinite wisdom and timing, knowing that what is meant for you will manifest in due time. Often, we become fixated on a specific outcome, clinging to it tightly out of fear or desperation. However, true manifestation requires surrendering to the natural flow of the universe and trusting that everything will unfold as it should. Imagine you've applied for your dream job and went through the interview process. Instead of obsessing over whether you'll get the job or not, release attachment to the outcome. Trust that if this opportunity aligns with your highest good, it will manifest in your life. In the meantime, continue to focus on your personal growth and well-being, knowing that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring you the perfect opportunities at the perfect time. By releasing attachment to the outcome, you free yourself from anxiety and resistance, allowing the manifestation process to unfold effortlessly. Tip 6. Maintain an attitude of gratitude. Acknowledge and appreciate the blessings present in your life, fostering an abundance mindset. Gratitude is a powerful force that shifts our focus from what we lack to what we already have. By cultivating a sense of appreciation for the abundance that surrounds us, we open ourselves up to receiving even more blessings from the universe. Start a daily gratitude practice by keeping a gratitude journal. Each day, write down 3 things you're grateful for, no matter how big or small. It could be as simple as the warmth of the sun on your skin, a heartfelt conversation with a friend, or a delicious meal you enjoyed. By consistently acknowledging and appreciating the blessings in your life, you shift your perspective towards abundance. As you cultivate an attitude of gratitude, you'll find that more blessings effortlessly flow into your life, amplifying the manifestation of your desires. By implementing these practices into your daily routine, you will reprogram your subconscious mind, aligning your thoughts and actions with your deepest desires. As you overcome self-doubt, align your energy with your desires, and trust in the divine timing of manifestation, you will witness the universe conspiring to fulfill your dreams. Remember, you are the co-creator of your reality. Embrace the power of self-talk, and watch as the universe unfolds its abundance before you. So what are you waiting for? Start implementing these tips today and see how they can transform your life. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share your favorite tip in the comments below.